The hidden cost of subscriptions keeping you broke. True. 10-minute in video teleprompter script hook, slow, serious. Let me ask you something. If someone took $300 from your bank account today, you would notice immediately. You would panic. You would open your banking app. You would want answers. But what if I told you that same money is leaving your account every single month, quietly, automatically, and you barely notice it? Today, I want to talk about the hidden cost of subscriptions and how they are quietly keeping people broke, especially immigrants and first-generation families. Intro. Personal context. When I first came to America, I truly believed I was doing everything right. I wasn't shopping luxury brands. I wasn't partying. I wasn't reckless. I was responsible. I paid my bills. I saved what I could. I avoided debt. And yet, every month, my money disappeared, not in one big mistake, but in dozens of small mistakes. And subscriptions were one of the biggest. Here's why this conversation matters. Because most people don't fail financially from one terrible decision. They fail slowly, quietly, month after month, and subscriptions are designed to make that failure invisible. The real problem. Subscriptions don't feel dangerous. $9.99 here, $12.99 there, $5 for an app, $15 for streaming. It feels harmless, it feels modern, it feels normal. But here's the truth, nobody says out loud. Subscriptions are designed to hide spending. Hidden spending is the hardest money to control, and money you don't control will never build wealth. This is not about discipline, this is about design. When you buy something once, your brain feels it. You swipe your card, you hesitate, you think twice. There is friction. Subscriptions remove friction. They auto-renew. They charge silently. They don't ask permission again. Your brain stops tracking them. After a while, they don't even feel like spending. They feel like background noise. And that is exactly the point. Who benefits from this? Let me be very clear. Banks love subscriptions. Companies love subscriptions. Because predictable money leaving your account means predictable profit for them. But for you, predictable money leaving your account means predictable financial stagnation, especially if you're not investing. Real life breakdown, extended. Let's slow this down and make it real. Netflix, $15, Hulu, $14, Spotify, $11, cloud storage, $3, Amazon Prime, $15, fitness app, $20, a language app you stopped using, $10, a business tool you might need later, $30. That's about $118 per month. Now pause for a moment, because this part matters. $118 times 12 months is more than $1,400 per year, and most people don't stop there. They add more, and more, year after year. The opportunity cost. Here's what most people never calculate. It's not just how much subscriptions cost, it's what that money could have become. That same $118, invested monthly, consistently, over time, could grow into tens of thousands of dollars, but instead, it disappears into convenience, into entertainment, into things that felt small but added up to something huge. Immigrant, first-gen reality, expanded. This hits immigrants harder, because many of us came from places where subscriptions didn't exist. You paid once, you owned something, so when subscriptions arrived we trusted them, we didn't question them, we didn't audit them, we were busy surviving. Working harder, sending money home, raising families, building from zero. So when money was gone, we blamed ourselves. I don't earn enough. I need another job. I'm just bad with money. But the truth is, your money was leaking while you were busy working. The biggest subscription lie. Here's the biggest lie subscriptions sell you. It's cheap. Cheap compared to what? Cheap compared to your future? A $15 subscription is not cheap. If it replaces $15 invested every month for 20 years, that is the cost nobody shows you. Why this keeps you stuck. Subscriptions don't just take money, they create a mindset of, I'll deal with this later. Later becomes next year becomes a decade, and suddenly, you worked your whole life but your money never worked for you. How to fix it? I'm not telling you to cancel everything, I'm telling you to take control. Here's a simple rule anyone can follow. For every subscription, ask, do I use this every week? Does this help me earn, learn, or stay healthy? If it ended today, would I sign up again? If the answer is no, cancel it. No guilt, no shame, no emotional attachment, just clarity. The real power move. Here's where most people stop. But this is where wealth builders begin. When you cancel subscriptions, do not let that money disappear. Redirect it. Same amount, same day. Automatically. If $100 leaves your present, $100 must enter your future. That's how habits change. That's how wealth starts. Let me say this clearly. You are not broke because you're irresponsible. You're broke because nobody taught you how modern money works. Subscriptions don't destroy lives overnight. They do it quietly, and quietly, you can stop them. Subscribe. If this video helped you see money differently, the next one will change everything. Why your savings account is making you poor. And if you're an immigrant trying to break generational cycles, subscribe. This channel is for you. We learn the rules, and then we win.